Captain Greg Creech, Chagrin Falls Fire Department. This is a response to Joe Pernesti's challenge for his National Firefighter Stand Down. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is a tactic that we use here in Chagrin Falls for basement fires. In our area here we have legacy construction and we have lightweight engineered lumber construction, and the houses in our district there change from renovations to full-blown new constructions. What we're going to talk about is basement fires. And basement fires, you know, throughout the academy and throughout all of the United States, we were always taught to always put the cellar nozzle above the fire. With lightweight construction, you're not going to be able to do that because that tactic is going to get guys killed. So what we're going to teach you is that we're going to use our roof ladder. For us, we use a 14-foot roof ladder, and you put it so that the spurs are out towards the basement window. You drape your 2.5 over that. You take webbing or rope that you have on your person, tie a simple clove hitch on the one end. Loosely tie it across, wrap it around the run. Alternating runs. That way it keeps the hose on the ladder itself and doesn't get lost when you go to actually angle it into the basement. The object of this is we're going to, instead of just taking and shooting a straight nozzle into the basement, we're going to use the effects of the cellar nozzle to totally extinguish out a basement fire. This is our cellar nozzle, runs 100 psi on the nozzle itself, 250 GPM through the resin distributor. When we get that flowing, and we'll be able to take it and put it through the basement window and actually lay the ladder 3/4 of the way. We got a 14-foot ladder, so we can actually stick this ladder in about 7 feet, holding onto the forks, or actually holding onto the hooks of your ground ladder, using it as a guide to lay it in. One safety note: when you're going to use this tactic, make sure that you cut the utilities to the house. If you don't cut the utilities, with the basement fully involved, you have wires hanging down low. As soon as you send that ladder in through the basement window, you may come in contact with the live wires and you might get shot. So please, if you're going to use this tactic, please utilize it and cut utilities, and then put this in the window, and then you'll be able to extinguish it. Probably within 10-15 seconds you can have complete extinguishment of the basement. Alright, so what we're going to do is, this is going to simulate this is a basement window. We're going to actually go ahead, get the ladder all set up. We're going to go ahead and charge our 2.5 with the cellar nozzle under to give you guys an idea of the effects, how much fire we can put out into the basement. 8-foot ceiling, a couple hundred square feet right in here, and we'll be able to extinguish pretty much everything that was in here if it was fully involved. So let's go ahead and start it up. Everything's completely soaked. Floors, walls, the base in between the floor joists, complete extinguishment. If you had this nozzle shooting into the basement, you wouldn't get that complete coverage that you needed to fully extinguish the basement. Makes it safer for everybody throughout the day. Legacy, Jake, really?